Since the energy demand is increasing and fossil fuel resources are becoming limited, BIORenewables was founded to look into possible solutions to the world's fuel problems. Pollution is a major concern, and so the need for a renewable, environment-friendly fuel resource such as biodiesel is important. Could algae be the optimum source for biodiesel?
Hi, my name is Algina, and I will now take you through the journey of how my friends evolved from simple algae living in a pond to one fueling jets up in the air. Microalgae biomass is cultivated in a photobioreactor, where microalgae is supplied with light, nutrients, water, and carbon dioxide. Sufficient aeration is required to ensure proper mixing of the culture. The algae is then dried and pressed, allowing oil extraction. This oil is then filtered from the residual biomass and processed into biodiesel through a chemical reaction called trans-esterification. Biodiesel is produced and glycerin remains as a byproduct. The biodiesel can then be used for jets, vehicles, and heating systems, whereas glycerin can be used for pharmaceutical and cosmetic applications. The residual biomass filtered from the algae oil is fermented, yielding biogas and leaving solid and liquid residuals behind, which can then be used as fertilizers. The produced biogas can be used to produce electricity. So, you can see that I'm a sustainable resource of energy and I can grow anywhere where there is water, given the right weather conditions. I can produce oil, which can then be processed into biodiesel fuel. The entire process as byproducts and residuals can be used in pharmaceutical and cosmetic industry applications, agriculture, and electricity generation. I can mitigate the adverse impacts of global warming since my conversion into oil absorbs CO2 and my biodiesel produces much less greenhouse gas emissions compared with fossil fuels. Many people think that because I like water, my cultivation would interfere with the already scarce water resources in Jordan. However, guess what? I can also grow in wastewater. Actually, I prefer to, because I utilize the nutrients in it to grow. I am anyway sometimes used in wastewater treatment plants. I will now introduce you to the people that will make this possible.
Our commitment to sustain our business in a responsible way is to reflect the energy needs locally and regionally by providing a sustainable source of energy and reclaiming the value of reusable resources.